Hi guys, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to do a little upgrade to something that has to do with maple syrup. Now I've been working on this for about 2 months. Actually, I wanted to do it during maple syrup season, but I just kind of ran out of time. So I ordered some parts and I put something together, and now I'm finally at the cabin with a little bit of time that I can finish the project. All right, now let's get somewhere where we got a little bit better lighting. There we go. Found some good light so you can all see what's going on. And yeah, let's do this. Now I have this fitting made up, and this is the key to everything. That needs to go in here. So hopefully there's not too much pressure in this system. That's actually another reason why I'm outside, in case I end up dropping a bunch of water. All right, let's get this thing loose and see what happens. Ooh, it's on there pretty good. All right, and sometimes the simplest solution is the best. I just went into the garage and thought about it, came back with some washers. So let's put these guys right here. And come on. There we go. Now, there we go. That went really smooth. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Check it out. So now, usually I operate it from this side. So if I look over the top, I have the thermometer. So now I have a nice idea of what the sap is going into the RO. It's not really super important, but I like to record that from my notes, and it helps me get an idea of how the RO is performing. So I really like knowing the temperature. Now I don't have to manually take it. Also, you can see here's the pressure gauge. I know it'd be cool if it were rotated and facing the right direction, and then my little TDS gauge. So right from the top here, I got temperature, pressure, TDS, and I have my needle valve, all accessible. Super nice. And if you haven't seen this before, that's onboard storage. I keep a few things in there like RO soap, some spare fittings, and then over here, again, more spare fittings and parts. And this is kind of the business side. And yeah, there's wheels on the bottom. And I highly recommend if you make an RO, you put wheels on it, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 5, and then the water filter, that adds quite a bit of weight to this guy. So you go from like 20 pounds empty to 35, 45 pounds when there's liquid in there. So the wheels are awesome. Definitely put wheels on whatever rig you make. All right, guys, I think that's a wrap. I am super happy with how this looks. And yeah, I like that, the washers. Okay. All right, well, that was just a quick little upgrade. I have a thermometer now plumbed into my RO. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you want to know more about maple syruping, you can check out my blog, offgridcabin.wordpress.com. I do have a few articles on there. There's parts lists and stuff if you want to build an RO like this. And I'll put a link in the description as well. But anyway, as always looking for ways to improve. And I think this is going to be pretty cool. Check in next year and we'll see if it leaks and how well it works. Till next time, take care.